we are joined by life coach Linnace Gordon Coleman, and she's here to talk to us about relationships, specifically the friend zone, my favorite zone.
Can't relate.
Welcome, Linnace. Stop it. Welcome. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Good. I'm glad. Now, we're talking about a subject that I particularly enjoy.
Okay.
But for those who don't know, what does the friend zone mean?
The friend zone is that type of relationship where you have two persons who have been friends for a while, but one wants more. One wants to become the spouse, the girlfriend, and one is like, no, you've been friends, let's keep it here because we don't want to cross that commitment line.
Okay, so
Okay.
there's never ever a mutual friend zone relationship. Somebody always on the pushing side and somebody always on the, okay, we just have to do this.
Yes. So it cannot be a mutual friend zone because once you create
Oh.
that friend zone, it actually means that I want more, but you're saying you're a friend, we can't go any further.
So it's not a zone, it's more like
it's
a
more,
situation.
It's more like a situation.
Yes.
It's more like a...
So tell me, Linnace, what would compel an individual, speaking as if we don't know how of them some word, but why do people find themselves in the friend zone?
People find themselves in the friend zone because they began to give way more without consulting the other person first. So I like you, so I decided I'm going to start buying you gifts. If you have a bill to pay, I'm going to pay it. I'm going to pick up you everywhere you want to go, and I just keep doing.
That is true, though, people.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
So I begin to do
Yes.
all the husband stuff, all the wifey stuff. I'm there for you because I want more without telling you that this is what I want. So I find
asking you.
Or asking you.
Feisty.
Right.
I mean, you know, and
What? No, it's not feisty.
Bestie.
But me, you're right, because at that point you would have the emotions coming out that sometimes we can't control. So you're like, okay, I will always want to impress this person.
Yes.
And all of that. So you're right. Oh, we're getting there.
All right.
But why would someone consider dating someone that they friend zoned, though? Because I put you in the friend zone for a reason. So why am I going to take you out? Why would somebody consider that?
Because when you're in your friends, you're more real with your friends. If your friend is coming
is
over
true.
in the morning, you don't go and get your hair done.
Right.
If you're going out, you just relax.
Just leave the morning face
Right.
and matter in the eye. And
Yeah, it's your friend.
Yeah,
If you are having a breakdown, you call up your friend male and you say, oh, he did this, he did that. So with your friend, you can be more real. So if the person is in the friend zone and you take them out, they will actually be dating the authentic you. But when you go on a date, you are dressing up all the time. If the person is coming over, you do not show up with your hair plaiting for.
What?
No, because you're
I'm
coming
doing
over.
this dating thing all wrong, people.
Right.
All wrong.
I want to play devil's advocate for a little, right?
Yes.
Because sometimes we put people in the friend zone as well.
Yes.
Right? How do you, as the friend zoner, because you're the friend zoner, the friend zonee,
Yes.
The friend zone.
try to see the signs of the fact that you might have this person in the friend zone and try to correct it? Because it doesn't make any sense. No. You can have somebody that you have a good friend, right? You meet the person and you're friends.
Yes.
I get gift. You can't just take. So I'm not even a thing.
We
say,
shouldn't,
okay,
but
then.
we do.
So how does that person?
I
No.
disagree,
How does that person correct it?
You have to have that conversation.
Thank you.
You have to be honest. Like, I had my husband in the friend zone for 4 years.
That's right.
Ooh, but it's 6 years, 2 kids, we're happy. The only regret, I should have taken him out a bit
Sooner,
earlier.
right,
Yes,
right,
praise
right.
God. Yes, so, but what I realized that when you are dating and you can't be yourself, we tend to decorate to date. And so, by the time the
decorate
person,
to date.
yeah, decorate today. By the time the person gets home and then the mask is off, they're like, oh my God, you tricked me, refund on the
Yeah.
show ticket. And so, yes, but if you're dating your friend, they know who you are, they know your quirks, they know your crazy side, they know all the little secret stuff you
I
would
hear
not
you.
tell someone
I
you're
hear you.
dating.
I hear you.
Yes, so they
hear
are
you.
dating you and they know you. So
Okay.
it's easier to move
Okay.
into something committed that's real.
All right, I'm not sure about that. I want to throw this out into the audience a second. Do you think that once someone is friend zoned, they should be allowed to exit the quarantine that they're in? What do we think? Who's gonna answer for me?
Our friend right there.
It's okay. You can pass the mic on. No, negative. Negative.
Who going to answer
negative.
for us? Come on,
Negative?
B-Cat. Hold on, my friend over here is going to talk. Come, pass. Can you know? Yes, first of all, your name.
All right, I'm Nicola.
Yes.
And if you're a friend zone, I think you should stay there. I don't know. I don't want to be dating somebody who know everything about me already. It should be a process, Make we grow together.
But that
Man,
makes things easier.
Easier.
No,
You
easy
just
is
jump
not-
into marriage, though.
Easy is not fun.
Easy's not fun. Ooh, she's one of those girls that like the drama. Okay, let's go to our unique I am.
Unique I am.
Yes.
As a mature audience.
audience member.
Yeah,
Yes.
mature person.
Can we get it from both sides?
Both
Yeah, from
sides.
both sides. For me, I think I'd really keep the friend because comfort is good. Somebody will know you and appreciate them. If you go start something out there, so while you have a man, they will really know you. But I want to stick with the friend zone thing and go extend.
But you'd have
Alright,
to do some
alright,
convincing because you'd
alright.
have to at least listen. Come again, coach. Come, I don't really know much. But what
Never
are
know
some
much.
ways someone in the friend zone can get themselves out? Well, we just kind of talk about
Presents.
Yes.
What?
Presents.
All right.
How you can get yourself
Yes.
out? You have to
SOS, help.
be clear about what you want. Don't keep dropping signs. We're
Yes.
not psychics here. Don't expect me to know that. I can think you're just being a really good friend.
Right.
So be honest and tell me how you feel.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That's one way. And if
Yeah.
after you've expressed that the person
Yeah.
keeps taking you for granted, then it says absence makes
Yeah.
the heart grow fonder. So you
So you exit the space.
But
Yes,
when get a
you
message,
exit the
how?
space.
But why you stop talking to me? How
But
do you
here's
explain
the thing,
that
though,
now?
Joel. I think, honestly, let me be honest for a second, because I like to joke around. But the truth is, you need to communicate.
Yes.
You can't change the rules without the other person knowing.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Do you understand what I'm saying? If you and I are
Yes.
friends and Joel turn up and he's like, hey, I bought you some cake. Thank you. Hey, I bought you. He can't
Yes.
be trying to do something without having a conversation. He's not, by the way. Nobody, he's not. No. Just saying, because rumors are. But I'm saying communication is
Yes.
key
It's key.
in any
It's
kind
key.
of
Yes.
interaction.
Yes.
All right, that's
And
excellent.
I mean, yeah, and for protecting that emotions, sometimes you might be seeing the sign where you might be falling for somebody.
Yes.
Just make sure you grab back yourself and say no.
Stop
sir.
it.
Yes.
Because
Who
let
have
me
money-
tell you
who have
something.
money for your-
Yes.
But pause. The most important thing to remember something, Joel, is good friends last forever.
Oh, I'm thinking that's
Yes.
better than pocket
Lovers
money.
come and go. Stay with the brethren. I'm just saying, daytime live.
Linus,
We'll be right back.
I wish we had another
Join us
10 minutes.
after the show. Hey!